With the successful completion of the installation of equipment in Lubumbashi, Congo, we have officially entered a crucial testing phase. This stage is a key link to ensure the stable operation and optimal performance of the equipment in the future. We will comprehensively promote various testing work with a rigorous, meticulous, and professional attitude. When all testing projects are successfully completed and all equipment indicators meet the requirements, we will organize the testing data and relevant information and write a detailed testing report. The test report includes the purpose, content, methods, results, issues, and corrective actions of the test, serving as an important basis for equipment acceptance. Afterwards, we will submit a test report to the client and organize them to conduct equipment acceptance. If the customer has no objection to the test results, the equipment will pass the acceptance and enter the subsequent trial operation stage. If customers raise questions or objections, we will actively cooperate to handle them until they are satisfied. In summary, during the testing phase of the Lubumbashi equipment in Congo, we will strictly follow various standards and procedures to ensure the smooth completion of equipment testing and provide solid support for the formal operation of the equipment.